Welcome to a new English story lesson. Today, we will listen to a long and beautiful story designed to help you learn English through natural listening. Find a quiet place, relax, and enjoy the story. Let's begin. Title: The Girl Who Followed the Light, Paragraph 1. The Village and the Forest. Lena lived in a quiet village surrounded by green hills and tall trees. Her home stood near a wide forest filled with clear streams, colorful flowers, and soft morning fog. Every day, she enjoyed walking along a narrow path that led to the forest entrance. It was the one place where she felt peaceful and free. Paragraph 2. A morning like no other one. Warm morning, Lena left her house earlier than usual. The sun had just risen, painting the sky with gentle shades of pink and gold. Birds flew above her, filling the air with light, cheerful sounds. She walked with slow steps, enjoying the cool breeze on her face. She believed nothing unusual would happen that day, but she was wrong. Paragraph 3. The strange glow. As she reached the forest entrance, she noticed a soft glow behind a group of tall bushes. The light shimmered like a small star resting on the ground. Lena felt a sudden pull inside her chest, as if the glow was calling her. She stepped forward, pushed the branches aside, and found a tiny golden orb floating above the grass. It moved slowly, almost inviting her to follow. Paragraph 4. The New Companion. Without fear, Lena walked behind the glowing orb. As she moved deeper into the forest, a small gray cat appeared beside her, walking silently. The cat didn't look wild. It seemed calm, gentle, and strangely aware of the golden light. Lena didn't know where the orb was leading her, but she felt safe with the cat by her side. Paragraph 5. The Path of Shadows. The trees grew taller, and the sunlight faded as Lena continued her journey. A cool mist wrapped around her, and distant echoes filled the air. The golden orb remained steady, guiding her through the silent woods. The cat walked with confidence, as if it had traveled this unknown path many times before. Lena felt both nervous and excited, unsure of what awaited her. Paragraph 6. The Bridge of Echoes. Soon, she reached a narrow wooden bridge stretching across a deep ravine. The planks were old but strong, and each step produced a soft echo that echoed endlessly below. Lena crossed carefully, her eyes fixed on a glowing orb. When she reached the other side, she noticed a faint blue bird perched on a branch, quietly watching her. The bird then flew ahead, joining the orb as if it knew the way. Paragraph 7. The Hidden Garden. The path opened into a breathtaking garden, hidden at the heart of the forest. Golden rays of sunlight fell through the leaves, reflecting off small pools of crystal-clear water. Flowers of every color swayed in the gentle wind, and butterflies danced around them. The air was warm, sweet, and filled with a soothing sense of calm. Lena felt like she had stepped into another world. Paragraph 8. The Ancient Stone. In the center of the garden stood a tall stone engraved with delicate symbols. The golden orb hovered above it, shining brighter than before. The blue bird landed on top of the stone, while the cat sat by Lena's feet. She approached the stone slowly and touched its cold surface. The moment her fingers made contact, the garden glowed with a soft, living light. Paragraph 9. The Forest's Secret. A gentle voice filled the air, coming from everywhere and nowhere at once. It told Lena that the forest protected a powerful secret, a place where only those with kind hearts could enter. The golden orb was not just a light, it was a guardian that revealed the path to people who showed compassion and courage. Lena felt warmth spread through her chest as the voice grew softer, thanking her for her gentle spirit. Paragraph 10. The gift of light. The orb descended slowly and touched Lena's hands, leaving a small trace of golden dust on her skin. The dust shimmered softly, then faded, leaving her with a deep sense of calm. The garden dimmed to its natural glow, and the orb rose into the sky, disappearing between the branches. The bird gave a final gentle song before flying away, and the cat rubbed against her leg, purring softly. Paragraph 11. Returning home. Lena walked back through the forest, feeling lighter than she had in years. The mist cleared, the shadows faded, and soft sunlight returned to the path. Her steps felt steady and confident, and she no longer feared the unknown. When she reached her village, she looked back at the forest and smiled, knowing she had discovered something unforgettable. Paragraph 12. A new beginning. That evening, Lena sat near her window with the cat resting beside her. The world outside felt more peaceful than ever. She realized the forest had given her a gift, not magic, but clarity. She now understood that kindness, courage, and curiosity could create paths to extraordinary places. From that day on, she carried the light of the forest within her heart. Thank you for listening to this long English story. I hope it helps you improve your listening, imagination, and language skills. See you in the next story.